Hiccups for elephant. Today is March 4th, 2021, Mr. Jackson. And yesterday, you went to the zoo with your mom and your dad. And so this wasn't the book that I was going to read today, but I was like, oh, it has animals in it. And tomorrow, I'm going to have to go ahead and let you know. Tomorrow, I am going to read Biscuit Visits the Big City, because at the zoo, you got, well, no, not at the zoo. At the zoo, your daddy bought you a tiger stuffed animal, but your mom and I went to IKEA this past weekend when I was down there to see you. And I know I went in IKEA and we came out with a stuffed dog. And your mom was telling me last night that that you guys are going to name it Biscuit. So it's like, I'm going to read the Biscuit book tomorrow. But today, Hiccups for elephant. Let's see if you saw some of these animals in the zoo. Hiccups for elephant. It was nap time. All the animals were fast asleep. Mr. Jackson, I hope that the animals were awake for you. Let me see. What is that? A lion, a monkey, a zebra. Is this a mouse? That is a mouse. Did you see a mouse at the zoo, Jackson? Except for elephant. He had the hiccups. Hiccup. Chimp woke up. So the chimp woke up. That had to have been a loud hiccup. I can cure those hiccups, Chimp said. Stand on your head and eat a banana. You like bananas. Are you a little monkey? You like this little monkey. He like bananas and you like bananas. Stand on your head and eat a banana. Do you think that's going to work? Is that going to cure the hiccups? Elephant gave it a try. Kaboom! It only made him dizzy. Oh, look at that. He's on his head and everything with the banana. That's a choking hazard. But he's on his head with the banana. Hiccup! Uh-oh. Lion woke up. I wonder what the lion is going to suggest. I can cure those hiccups, Lion said. Drink lots of water very, very fast. Is that going to cure the hiccups? Look at that. He's all like, drink lots of water. Like he just knows it all. Elephant gave it a try. He drank and drank and drank and drank. Now he's just going to have to go to the bathroom. Hiccup! Zebra woke up. Oh, the water didn't work. He still has the hiccups. I wonder what Zebra is going to say. I can cure those hiccups, Zebra said. Hold your breath and count to 10 backwards. Let's see if Grammie can do that. I don't have the hiccup stuff. I wonder if that will work. Elephant gave it a try. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hiccup! Mouse woke up. Why do I think like Mouse is going to be the one with the answer to this? What's all the noise? Mouse asked. I'm trying to sleep. Poor elephant has the hiccups, Chimp explained. Mouse looked elephant in the eye. Boo! He shouted. Everyone waited and waited. But there were no more hiccups, Jackson. I told you that mouse works every time, Mouse said. All the animals fell back to sleep. Except for Elephant. Achoo! Now he's sneezing. I wonder if they have the cure for sneezing. Did you see any of these animals at the zoo yesterday, Jackson? Did you see a lion? Or maybe a tiger? Did you see a zebra? Did you see an elephant? Did you see a chimpanzee or a monkey? Did you see a mouse? That's a random. Hiccups for elephant. Bye, Jackson. Love you.